how to make a Yahoo account. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create new Yahoo account. And if you don't know how to create your Yahoo Mail account, then this video is gonna be very helpful for you. So make sure you watch this video all the way till the end. Now let's begin the tutorial. So to create your Yahoo email account, first search Yahoo on your browser and then click on yahoo.com. Now in the official website of Yahoo, here click on sign in. Now as you have to create your Yahoo account, here click on create an account. And here are the steps to create your Yahoo account. So here you can sign up for Yahoo and you can create your Yahoo email address. So first here put your first name and then put your last name. And here is your username or your Yahoo email address. You have to create your Yahoo email address like your Google account email address. And then you have to create a strong password. And then you have to put your phone number. And phone number is very important. Here first you have to select your country code. And then you have to put your phone number. And your phone number is very important, guys. In case if you forget your password or username, Yahoo can send you info to this number to help you. And there they might ask you for verification and they will send you a security code or verification code to your phone number. Thereby they can help you and thereby they can recognize that it is your account. So put your phone number and then select your birth month, day and year. And then you can choose your gender, which is optional. So let me fill up all this information real quick. So guys, here you can see I have put all information that Yahoo asked me, and you have to create a username like this and Yahoo will suggest you how you can create your username. So after putting all this information, click on continue. And now here tap on I am not a robot and solve this puzzle and then click on verify. After verifying, click on continue. Now you have to verify your phone number. So Yahoo will send you a verification code to your phone number and you need to verify your phone number. So here click on text me a verification code. Now here put the 5-digit verification code that Yahoo sent to your phone number. So here let me put the verification code. After putting your verification code, click on verify. And here you can see success and this is my Yahoo email address. And here it says welcome to Yahoo. You can use this email to sign in to Yahoo anywhere. So here click on done. And that's it. This is how you can create your Yahoo account or Yahoo Mail account. And if you found this video helpful, then do me a big favor by hitting that like and subscribe button. And if you want to create a Gmail account without your phone verification, then watch this video and I will see you in the next one.